I'm sure you've heard the news. Cats are basically little furry comedians. This is Whiskers, the cat with a talent for mischief. Watch as Whiskers pounces on invisible enemies, tackles the dreaded red dot, and somehow fits into the tiniest boxes. Need a laugh? Check out Whiskers' epic fails and triumphant victories. From chasing his own tail to giving the best puppy eyes, this cat knows how to deliver the giggles. So sit back, relax, and let Whiskers turn your frown upside down. Hit that like button if you can't get enough of Whiskers' cuteness. See you next time, cat lovers.